What's your name? I forgot it.
Kavya.
Kavya. You first one.
My name is Tia.
Priya.
Tia.
Okay. In the car. Can you please give me your Instagram ID?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Please type. Can you type it?
Yeah.
ഓക്കെ മോനെ ഇട്ടോ പൈസ ഇട്ടോ. അനൂപെ കള്ള നായിന്റെ മോനെ പൈസ ഇട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിന്നെ ഞാൻ കൊല്ലും. What? I don't get it.
Nothing.
Okay.
We are not able to understand your language. Whatever you say.
നീ പറയുന്നത് എനിക്ക് തിരിയണമെന്നില്ല. നിന്റെ ഐഡി കിട്ടി.
You can see great English in Kerala.
Tia.if. Is this your fake account or second account?
No, main account.
This is you, right? This is you.
Yeah.
Okay, I messaged you. Please, I followed you. Please follow me back.
Yes, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay. Okay, bye cuties.